indicated by the signal to warn of the intended
I'm gonna get the headers.
tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and 8 p.m. Because of the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and discussion in one alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brown, Callahan, Comanche, Eastern, Shackelford, and Stevens. This concludes the test of weather radio station with G636.
See if you can stay working.
You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WMG 636, serving the system within the area.
There we go.